Today, I'm going to show you how to add apps to Zapier step by step so you can connect your favorite tools and start building automations in just a few minutes. If you've ever wanted to link apps like WordPress, Calendly, or other services inside Zapier, this guide will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside the Zapier dashboard, look for the App Connections section. This is where Zapier keeps all of the apps and services that you've connected to your account. Click on App Connections to open the Connections page. On this page, you'll see the option to create a new connection. Go ahead and click Create Connection. This is the step that tells Zapier you want to add a new app to your account so it can be used in your automations and workflows. After that, you'll see a search bar where you can look for the app you want to connect. For example, if you want to add WordPress, type WordPress into the search field. Zapier will then show you matching app results. Select the app you want from the list. In this case, click on WordPress to continue. Once you open the app, Zapier will take you to the next step where you can connect your account. Click Add Connection. Now, Zapier will ask you to sign in or paste in your website information, depending on the app you're connecting. Enter your username and password when prompted, and then complete the connection process by clicking Connect. This authorizes Zapier to access the app so it can use that account inside your automations. After the connection is successful, the app will be linked to Zapier and ready to use in your workflows. You can repeat the same process for any other supported app you want to add. The basic flow is always the same. Go to Zapier, open App Connections, create a connection, search for the app, choose it, and then sign in to connect it. If you ever need to add more tools later, just come back to this same area and connect them one by one. That's really all there is to it. Once your apps are connected, you can start building Zaps and automations that move information between your favorite tools automatically, saving you a ton of time every day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.